Baro Baro Acharya and Chota Chota Acharya. The new devotee, the old devotee, the guru, the disciple, everyone should be acharya, achar. Ideal, Gaudiya Vaishnava, devotional behavior. Ideal, Gaudiya Vaishnava, devotional behavior. This is achar. Oh, excuse me. Oh, Krishnadas, you're because obviously you're initiated. What is your name, Krishnadas? Oh, who is your guru? Hands folded, eyes closed, bend your head. I am the very fortunate, and you can say it in Hindi if you want, but I am the most fortunate recipient of the mercy of my beloved Gurudev, Kripa Patra, recipient of mercy. Ashtara Sata Shri, then you say the name with your head bowed and then the eyes closed and your hands folded. And then you look up and the person, the devotee seeing you, what happens? He becomes impressed. What happens? He learns. What happens? His heart melts. What happens? Krishna is pleased with both. He's being blessed by seeing you and you're being blessed by your guru who is watching everything. He's Chaitya. Guru's in the heart. Acharya Guru, Acharya Chaitya Guru Vapusha. Guru is in the heart as Krishna. Krishna comes out of the heart as Shiksha Diksha Guru. So Krishna in the heart is watching you. Internally, from here Krishna is watching you, and from outside, if you have Guru, he's watching you. This is achar. This is behavior. Krishna shows ideal behavior throughout the Bhagavatam. Always respecting everyone. Gopis are showing ideal behavior. So this is, we feel undeserving, I have nothing, and such feelings that the closer the finite jiva, to repeat, the closer the finite jiva moves to the infinite Krishna, the more he or she feels more finite, small, humble, fallen, worthless, and undeserving. However, such feelings cannot be forced. You can't learn. It just comes by bhakti bhajan and by the blessings of Guru and Krishna. It cannot be forced or imitated. The Braj Gopis are showing here in the Rasa Lila the topmost prem and pure love for Krishna and the topmost limit of humility. Quote, we pray for a drop of the gopis' humility. That they're asking the earth, they have no ego. Well, I'm not going to ask the earth. I'm Chandravali, I'm the gopi, Lalita, There's no pride. Amani na, amani dena, amani. They don't have mani. Mani means self-respect, self-worth, pride. Gopis koi ne. They don't have. Mana dena means to give respect. Dena, to give man. Man means respect, honor to others. So they have the topmost pure love for Krishna and the topmost limit of humility. We pray for a drop of the gopis' humility and a drop of their Krishna prema. So that was small comments we had on verse 13 about all their searching and humility and humbly approaching the earth and the trees and the deer. They meet a deer. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of deer in the forest. And they find one deer by chance wandering around at 12 o'clock at night, 12:30 at night. This is nighttime. This is Maharashtrans. This is a very restless deer. Couldn't sleep. Usually they're somewhere sleeping. So the deer came on the scene, Yogamaya, whatever, woke one up and sent one out there. And then, deer? No one ever asked the logical, Western, reasonable question. What's a deer doing up at 12:30 at night in the forest? No Indian would ever ask that question in 10,000 years. But a Western person immediately say, this is not according to nature. Deer sleep at night and wake up at sunrise. Not in Vrindavan. These are transcendental deer, remember. And they're very dear to the Priyas, the Priyajis, the gopis.